No power. See the pitch dark. So if there is no power current supply, then this is the scene you can see here. See, nothing is visible from here. You can see. So this is the place where I am staying right now, and there is no power supply in this place, so nothing you can see here. Okay, so
So finally, I reached this Coorg camping Jollyboys. ಹೆಸರೇನಪ್ಪ ಅದು? Coorg camp? Jollyboys. ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು? Sadananda anta. He is trying to help me to carry my luggage to the tent. I'll show you the tent also. This is a wonderful place, you can see. I'll show you the later, but you can see kya nazara hai ye. Let us move to the tent. I'll show you the tent also now. So now let us go and let us see the tent. What kind of facilities we get inside the tent. This is the kitchen alva idu?
Kitchen room.
This is the kitchen room, and they are constructing a new building. So let us go. We are inside dense forest, Eastern Ghats. So these people provide tents for 2 people, couples, 3 people and single. As I am solo traveler, I am going to stay in a single tent. You can see these tents here, they have arranged. Slippery little. Okay, so this is the place and this is the tent inside. So let me keep it here. So you can see it's a very small tent. So tonight I am going to stay here. So this is the view.
Trekking viewpoint is
Trekking. So he is telling that there is a trekking place.
last top adu.
Ada? Okay, so you can see, let me zoom out. So the top, that is a place where they take people to trekking. So I think tomorrow I may also go to that place. Okay, so this is the place. They provide tents here. If more number of people come, they may fix new or few more tents here. So there is a lot of space. So I'm going to stay inside this tent, and there is bathroom and toilet, all those things, facilities are available. Okay, so let me take a break here. I'll shoot afterwards. Thank you. Stay with me. क्या नाम है बताइए, आपका नाम बताइए।
मेरा जयप्रकाश शाह।
जयप्रकाश, ही इज मिस्टर जयप्रकाश फ्रॉम बिहार। कहाँ से? बिहार में कहाँ है?
बिहार में आरा जिला, भोजपुर जिला।
आरा जिला, भोजपुरी।
गांव दामोदरपुर।
गांव दामोदरपुर।
ये मड़केरी में आया है, खाना बनाना।
कितना साल हो गया इधर आके?
इधर आके 20 साल हो
20 साल हो गया। ठीक है।
इसमें साउंड भी आता है ना?
हाँ, सब कुछ आता है। So this is my tent for tonight. I may be alone going to stay here, and there are 2 more tents are there. If somebody comes, they'll allot those tents. So this is the place where I am going to spend tonight. You can see. So actually I am climbing down to this Coorg camping parking place. From there actually another guy brought my bike. So I want to actually see why I couldn't bring the bike. Of course I was very tired. I didn't take even breakfast also since morning. After I left Bangalore, I was totally dependent upon energy bars. So let me go once and let me see why it was so difficult for me. Why couldn't I ride the bike? Okay, so let me go there. Let me take you. You can see how narrow the road and how steep the road. You can see. And they told that yesterday it rained here heavily, so that's why the road has become so slippery and risky. So once I have reached the place, now I don't have any other option. I have to climb down. I have to go down. Let me see tomorrow what happens. Tonight I don't think any tension, any worries. So I'm just going to the parking place where generally the tourists park their vehicles. So you can see how steep. Actually I stopped my bike there. From there he took the bike to the camping site. So till this part I came on my bike alone. So you can see how steep. I went in the wrong direction, and when I parked the bike fell. When I was pulling the bike fell. I also fell, but I requested somebody. They came and they helped me. Okay, so actually I didn't fall properly. The bike fell. So I was actually, it was, as the road was very slippery, I also fallen a little. So this is the last spot where you can come if you are a tourist, and from here they will transport you to the Coorg camping site. Okay, so let me show you in this direction. So here, from here it is almost like 700 meters as per their estimation or as per their measurement. So these 700 kilometers they will transport you in a 4-wheel jeep, and they may charge 700 rupees per person. That's what they told. So actually tomorrow again I have to bring my bike down. Of course it may be like 4-5 kilometers from the campsite to the main road. So let us see. If it rains tonight, then it will be risky, but still I don't have any other option. Either I have to request them to support me with somebody who can bring the bike up to here, or I only have to bring the bike. Okay, so now what I am doing, I'll move back to the camp site. Okay, so let me close this. Even climbing also not so easy, too steep, and plenty of mosquitoes. It's moderate. I can bring my bike back from the camp, but if it rains again, then it would be too risky. Jawa 42. Jawa is good. It proved it has that capacity, but I was tired, so I couldn't drive the vehicle. Jawa is perfectly okay for this kind of adventures. I'm just walking from the parking place to the camp, and lot of humidity, sweating. Okay, so I'll meet you in the camp. So this is the vehicle that bring you from the parking if you can't reach this place by your own. He is the owner. Let me introduce you. Hi sir, may I know your name?
Hi, I'm Harsha here.
Okay, so he's the owner of this property, and this is the guy who helped me to brought the vehicle. And that is a vehicle. They'll transport you from that parking place to this camp. This is another setup of tents, larger tents. If you come in large groups, you can stay in these tents. So this is a separate place, and this is place for bonfire or campfire. This is a swimming pool where you can swim, where you can enjoy. So these are larger tents. That is also place, one more place, that is also another set of tents. So let me show you inside. Don't think anybody is inside. Excuse me. Okay, so this is the larger setup. Here you can see inside they have bunk beds, fan, so all these facilities. So I don't know about the remuneration, or what do you call the tariff of this room. Better you can contact these people. So this is the entrance. So this is for the bigger setup. So for a family, you can come as a family and you can stay here. And I think there is even attached bathroom also. Safe. Suppose this is the attached bath. It's a bedroom again. Okay, one more bedroom. Yeah, safe. So this is a bigger tent. So if you come in group, then you can stay in these kind of bigger tents. Or if you come solo, alone like me, then you can stay in those small tents. So let me show you this place. And there is a security camera. You can see there is a security camera. So So don't forget that whatever you do is unnoticed. It's not like incognito mode. Whatever you do, they can watch here, they can see. So be little careful, and this is the place for campfire. This is a place where you can enjoy, stay, and so let me go back, and coming to this place is the biggest adventure, and staying here and enjoying is another kind of adventure. Okay, so this is the place. They told me that there is one more place where there are larger tents are placed. Actually, I am in the middle of the Western Ghats, inside the dense and thick forest, and there is no tea plantation here, you can see, because generally Western Ghats are known and famous for tea plantation, but there is no tea plantation here. Just it's a very remote place, and it looks almost all deserted here. So there is one more way you can go here, and there are few more tents are here. So it's not like a place where what you call a proper tourism or tourist can come. This is very deserted place. Of course it's risky, but they what you call, the person who runs this entire property is a Navy veteran. So yes, of course it's a, you can try once, but you have to think twice and thrice before you visit this place. Okay, so let me go back to my tent. So it's almost all 7:30, you can see here. So I am the one who is going to stay in this camp. Here there are some other people who are staying in that place, so I'm just waiting for my dinner. Once I take the dinner, then I'll go to bed, and tomorrow again I have to go down, and again I have to travel to Bangalore. So that's still going on in my mind. I think I'll reach safely Bangalore city without any problem. I'll reach home safely. Okay, so tomorrow actually we are planning to go for trekking, and after trekking I may have to start the journey. So let us see. If everything goes well, then around 12 I have to leave this place, and by 6:37 I have to reach home, Bangalore. Okay, so once I get the dinner, I'll complete, and then I'll go to bed. I'm really tired. This last part of the journey was really tough. Okay, so bye. No power. See the pitch dark. So if there is no power current supply, then this is a scene you can see here. See, nothing is visible from here. You can see. So this is the place where I am staying right now, and there is no power supply in this place, so nothing you can see here. Okay, so finally I had my dinner, and it is 8 o'clock. So you can see here I am the only one in this place. There are two more people, they are staying in a different tent. So it's about today. So tomorrow again morning we are planning to go for trekking. If I feel that I can trek, then I'll go on trekking. And it's actually what you call lightning, you can see. So if it rains heavy here, then tomorrow trekking may cancel, and then I will start the journey, return journey to Bangalore. So here is my tent. I think it is safe, and these lights will be here, and that is on. So if it rains, then in case if it is emergency, I will be shifted from this place to another nearby place. So this is the place, and I'm all alone. Okay, so let me go inside the tent, and let me try to shoot some part or some time. So I'm inside the tent. This is first time I'm
going to sleep in a tent. So I suppose tonight it will go well. And this is I kept open for ventilation, because though we are inside a dense forest and inside a tent, if there is no ventilation it is difficult to breathe, because there is no vent for air. So you can see how closed inside jeep, because they told me to close it tightly, and the outside one I have kept like that only little. Okay, because I suppose this will allow me to breathe properly. This is also there, one is there, so I can see even, because inside the tent first time. So it is almost all 8:30. So I'll make a call to my wife and my children. I'll speak a little. And so here you can see there is a hook is given here. If anything we have to hook, we can hook here. Only thing is I didn't bring any torch or something. So cell phone torch is the only one which I can use. So okay, so thanks for joining with me, and tomorrow I'll try to shoot the trekking also, and then return journey. If possible I'll shoot the return journey, and hopefully tomorrow evening by 7 o'clock I have to return safely home. So today is the end of this day. So thanks for joining with me. Bye bye, take care.